Hey folks, Adam here, and today we have an elite demonstration, one of the most elite products that I've had a chance to take a look at in quite a while. This comes to us from Keystone, and it is an amazing, amazing air conditioning unit. One of the top in the market. This thing is going to blow the others out of the water. We're talking about the 5,000 BTU model right here, but you know what? They go like 15,000 BTU. Keystone makes some really powerful air conditioning units. Get the right size and fit for you. You're gonna look at the product details. So maybe better for like 150 square foot room. Just slide it in the window. Comes with all the things you need, the little curtains on the side that close it in and allow you to slide this right into your window perfectly. Installation is a breeze. They give you all the pieces and parts that you'd ever want to just slide this into your window, make it as efficient as possible, as neat and tidy as possible, and it's absolutely fantastic. Now, the part about this product that blows my mind is how whisper quiet she is, okay? So when we're looking at it and we're looking for one that doesn't interrupt your conversation, one that isn't annoying and loud. Listen, I have an air conditioning unit 6 inches, 5 inches from my face. I can still carry on a normal conversation. Most air conditioning units are gonna blow the doors off the place. So what else can I tell you about it? It has an eco-saver mode. So if you're looking to save a few bucks, that's super smart. It has fan, dry, cool, and automatic. You've got fan speeds of auto, low, medium, and high. And you've got the timer on and off, as well as temp up and down right on it. All those can also be found in the remote. I found that it's great to have my remote right next to my bed. I can just change the temperature, make it a little cooler at night. I can turn it off, turn a timer on, have that thing on for just a little bit of time. Or you know what? Sometimes I don't like that fan blowing at me while I'm trying to sleep. Press a button and turn the fan down. So really a fantastic product. And here's the other kicker. Here's the real kicker, the price. Look at the price on the Amazon listing. It's incredible. You're not gonna beat that with the big brands. You can, there's a button for LED display, as well as you can change from Celsius to Fahrenheit, depending what your preference is. You can aim the fans however you want, and it's really, really a fantastic product. If you would have told me that you could get an air conditioning unit to cool your room for this kind of price, I would have thought you're crazy. So just the fact that all of this exists and just the fact that you can get it for such a reasonable price is absolutely incredible. So you're gonna wanna go ahead and pick it up. Keystone they don't advertise, they don't spend their money on advertising like some of those big brands. They spend their money on developing high quality products. So if you want the one that everyone's heard of, pay extra, get that. If you want one that the smart people have heard of, you want the one that they put the money into the product and kept the price down, then go with Keystone. Absolutely my personal recommendation. Great quality, only 115 volts, 60 hertz, 5,000 BTU on this particular model, but get the model that suits your environment, and it's absolutely amazing. Order today, you absolutely will not be disappointed. This is a great product. Thanks for watching, and again, all the parts that you need to install in your window come with it, absolutely free. That's incredible. Some of these places, you'll spend $300 just on the mounting kit. You're good to go. Order today, you won't be disappointed. Thank you so much for watching, and adios amigos.